How to clear all previous activity on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram, enter your login credential, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in here, move into Account Center. Scroll down and inside the section of Account Settings, you have to move into your Information and Permissions. After that, head over to your activity of Meta Technologies. It will be landing you on this page. At the bottom, you can see the option of Clear Previous Activity. Simply move into it. In this page, it will show you all of the activities that you have made on Instagram. In order to clear it, tap on Clear All. And then once again, click on Clear All. After that, you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.